The Pixel 9 Pro is here. Let's unbox it. This year, the packaging is different. The form factor has changed. It is no longer the classic package that opens vertically, but rather it is pulled out horizontally. Now we will see the packaging in a gray color that resembles recycled paper. Let's see how it opens right away. We carefully pull the two tabs, and now we should be able to gently slide the package. Now, here we go. Perfect. It's not exactly easy, but it opened up well here. Let's remove the cover, and here it is, the classic package that opens vertically. Here it is in all its beauty. We'll look at this later. The usual paper that wraps the Pixel to protect it with indications of where the buttons are located. The charging jack. Let's take a look. Here it is. I chose the gray clay model, porcelain in English. For the first time, Google has made a Pixel Pro in human sizes. Really beautiful, quite slippery just like the Pixel 8. But maybe not too much. It feels good in the hand. Excellent feel of the buttons. Honestly, the side chrome isn't really something that excites me. But that's okay. We'll put on the official case that I should already have here within reach. Here it is, the cover. I did the unboxing a few days ago. Absolutely Google covers for the Pixels. There is nothing comparable. Let's see how it fits. Here it is. Perfect. Let's go see what else is included in the package. The instruction manual has been fitted into this recess. There should be the tool for some removal. But also if we remember that the Pixel 9 can use a virtual SIM as well. Charging cable without a charger, USB-C, just USB-C. This is the packaging, as you know, the reduction of electronic waste imposed by the European Union on Google and to other manufacturers to include the charging cable, so only the cable. To say goodbye, I remind you that in a few days you will find more videos that I will make. A small physical size comparison with the Pixel 8. I will definitely do the initial setup and many other videos on the Pixel 9 Pro, and more generally about the Pixels and generally about all Google services. Subscribe to my channel and follow me if you like. I greet you with the startup of the Pixel. Hoping it's charged, here it goes. Hello everyone, we'll see other for the first setup in a couple of days.